All right, Tireni, you're muted and you need to make a presentation. Be as formal as possible. You have to be very, very convincing that you know what you're doing. All right, please, your presentation has started.
My name is Tireni and I'm 9 years old. Yeah, 9 years old, and I'm going to be explaining my code line by line. So first we have import random, which means that we should it's gonna import like random something random like like a random model or something. Then we have def define play rock paper scissors. And it means that we should define this variable. Next, we have choices equals rock, paper, scissors, which is saying our choices are rock, paper, and scissors. And then we have users' choices equals input. And it's saying that the code it will it will it will give up the code will be like it will in the code it will now like dispute that enter your choice rock paper scissors rock paper or scissors, and then we have a dot lower while okay then we have the next one while user choice not in the choices, so print invalid choice, please try again. So it's basically saying that if you put something like there's no rock, paper, scissors, or you misspell it, it will give you an invalid. It will tell you that no, this is not what I'm asking you to do. Please try again. And then we have user's choice equals input, and then it's now telling us that it's gonna after we do that, after we write the wrong stuff, it's gonna write it again. It's gonna tell us to enter a choice again, and we'll keep on doing this till we write the correct uh, to correct the one of the words out of rock paper and scissors. And make sure you don't just misspell it because that'll make it even worse. Then we have computer choices equals random choices or choices. So basically, it says that the computer choices will be the computer will be random because it's not a human playing, so it'll be random. And what you mean by random is like picking something and not even looking at it, all that stuff. So it will randomize the choices, and then at the end of the code, at the end of the day, the computer will choose something random. Like let's say that I choose rock, and the computer just goes random and chooses paper. Then we have print F computer choose computer choice, which is basically saying that, like if you see right here, it says enter your choice, rock, paper, scissors, and I wrote paper, and then it now says computer chose rock. So it's basically saying that, it's basically showing us that the, the computer chose, etc. Um, it's and the computer choice is what this code, right? I mean this code. It's what this code, the random word, chose for it. Now we have if user choice equals to computer choice, print is a tie. So basically, it's saying that if it's a possibility, if our choice is the same as the computer's choice, then it'll say it's a tie because it's the same. And yeah, then we have a list user choice, rock, paper, and computer. Let's say that. Okay, so let's say that rock and computer choice equals scissors, or user's choice paper and computer's choice rock. User's choice scissors and computer's choice paper. So it's not saying that which one of them will win. So like if I had rock and scissors, which one will win? It's obviously rock. Then we have paper and rock. Which one will win? Paper, obviously. And if we have scissors and paper, which one is going to win? It's obviously scissors. So it's giving us that. It's giving the code that possibility. Giving the code that possibility. That variety of what of the codes that are going to happen. So we have print, you win, else print, you lose. So it's saying that if you got like, let's say, I've got rock and the computer got paper. I mean, I've got rock and the computer got scissors. I would win, right? Now it's saying else print, you lose. And it's saying that, and it's saying that, let's say the computer, I've got rock and the computer has paper. The computer is winning, so it's saying you lose. So it's saying that lost to the computer. You lost to the computer. Then we have play rock paper scissors, and in which basically this variable was defined. This one, you can't see it. This one. Okay, so yeah, this one, and then it will. You put this. You know when you're doing codes like when you're doing like you're building games that you want to do like deaf rock player sisters, you always, I mean always, have to put it at the end. To put your variable at the end without the semi thing because okay, this one because you might get an error and that we don't want that. So you always have to put this here. And when you, like, let me show you. When you do this, when you press load, okay, let's say paper, it shows that it says enter choice, rock, paper, scissors. I chose paper, and it's saying the computer chose rock, and it's saying I won. So thank you for listening to me, and that's what I've explained on my page. Thank you so much for listening.
Wow, wow, wow. Tireni, that was a lovely, fantastic presentation. Are you sure you're 9 years old, Tireni? Are you sure you're not older than your age? Or you're just deceiving us? Because that presentation was actually wonderful. You explained everything. It shows how well you understood the whole process. Uh-uh. Wow. So you can be, see how you're so serious. Okay, I know the kind of student that you are. You are this kind of student that will play and deceive the other students in the class as if she's not listening and paying attention. But when it's time to write or give a presentation, you do outstandingly well. This is good. This is really good. It shows how well you know it. It shows how well you can process the information that you have put in these particular lines of codes, and you've been able to make it work. And you even showed us an example. You even went ahead to look at certain things like things that might, if it ends up having an issue, oh my goodness, this is good. Before I say I'm proud of you, Tireni, tonight. So you should be so happy with yourself this night. Well done. Well done. Yeah. So well done. That was a nice presentation. Thank you so much for that. Well done. You guys have really, really showed me wonderful things today. So well done. I will communicate the next project ahead. I think I'll look for something that is a little bit more fun as well to make you present as well. You did all these codes all by yourself. You made your research, gathered all the information that you have done before so far. Both of you have made a wonderful presentation. I'm proud that I've taught you guys. Well done. Well done, Tireni. Well done, Tioluwani as well. Tioluwani, hello. Your face just disappeared. Hello, Tioluani. Okay, so that will come to the end of today's class. I have the recording, and I'm for sure you will see yourself somewhere very soon. All right, take care and do have a lovely presentation, a lovely night rest. Bye for now.